This video demonstrates how to automatically add a minimum or maximum score to an assessment for ungraded rubric criteria. Instructors can quickly assess all ungraded rubric criteria and then return to the assessments at a later time to add feedback. In the Assignments tool, select an assignment and then select a learner submission. In the Rubrics section of the assessment, click Rubric Options. Select the minimum or maximum level at which you want to set ungraded rubrics. All rubric criteria updates to match your selected option. Repeat these steps for other learners with ungraded rubric criteria.